don't really want no friends. He tryna 69 like Takashi, call him Papi. Worth the ASAP, keep me rocky. I'm from New York, so I'm cocky.
Hey dolls, welcome back to another video.
So one, I know you're like, girl. My eyelashes are 500 centimeters long.
They are heavy.
And yeah, so I'm testing out these lashes. I might add them to my lash line. I'm not sure. Let me know what you guys think down below. Are they too long? Are they just right? Or, you know, keep it up all night. Hey, get it in. That's the night. This video, I'm gonna be doing a 5 and below challenge. So basically, I went to 5 and below. I was looking for some outfits that I could put together, you know, for all my ladies on a budget. Don't front, you looking for some cheap clothes, okay, girl, and I got you. So 5 and below, basically when you go there, they mostly have like sportswear, like accessories, home decor, like a lot of fun stuff. And the clothing they do have is not really, clothing they do have is like mostly sportswear and, you know, leggings and, you know, like flashy holographic cheap shoes. And yeah, so I picked out some few outfits and they are under $20, and we is just gonna put them together and we is just gonna just see how we can look like a baddie with 5 and below clothes. Cause honey, it is possible. And this Mario Kart shirt, I literally think this is like a men's size because it literally is so big. I got this from 5 and below too. Yes ma'am. Hallelujah. Glory to ya. Let's get started. Let's start out with the first, with the bag. So this is the bag with all the clothes and the dabby glows. I got this like fur sweater. It's not really fur. It has like a nice texture to it. I got this sweater. It's super cute. This is like the most cutest thing they had. And it was literally $5, and I got this in a size small. So what I'm gonna be doing with this sweater is I'm gonna be cutting it into a crop top. And yeah, honey, let's get into it. Crop top. Oh my god. So like I didn't feel like putting on pants. I'm not gonna hold y'all. So what I did, I put like the piece that I cut off from the top as like a skirt, but it's baggy as I don't know what. So like look how the top came out. The top came out so pretty and literally, ooh honey, you don't want to see that. It came out so pretty. It literally looked like it was cut like this. And don't tell me, you cannot tell me that this is something that Fashion Nova wouldn't make. This is a Fashion Nova crop top, honey. Like, what is you saying, baby? I'm super duper in love with this shirt, guys. It's not cheaply made at all. It has very nice material to it, and like the feel of it, it literally feels so nice. It feels like a polar bear. Like, I don't know what polar bear feel like, but it feel like this. Want to look cute in the sun, you know, but still look warm. This is definitely for you. And yeah, for $5, you cannot beat this, honey. All you have to do is do a little chip cut, and there we go. It's a look. Now the next item we have is actually a set. So with this top, you can put some jeans on, put some whatever on, and go, honey. So what I also got to match with these, because they didn't have any jeans, I got these leggings, which is, as I said, workout leggings, because that's basically all they have. This is some leggings, and it has like some little lines on the knee part, and I got this in a size small. Three, 5, 4. Oh my, I should have got a medium, girl. These leggings are so tight. Oh, there's no way. I need a medium. Literally have to tug. I'm having thick girl problems. I ain't even thick. But But yeah, these how the leggings are. They are really tight. They are really tight and they barely fit in the crotch. So I would say go up one pair. Go up one size if you're getting these leggings. I'm skinny. Like, me to need a medium in leggings is crazy. But what could I expect? They're $5. It ain't even doing the booty much justice. That's how the leggings are. It has some lines on the knee part, some workout type stuff. This is the first outfit. It doesn't really go together, but it's the best I could find from the Five and Below because, as I said, they ain't got no jeans, so I try to color coordinate and get white and gray. So, hey. I got some sweatpants. I really like the sweatpants. They're more like joggers. These are the joggers. And it says, what is it on the side? Don't get it. I knew these wouldn't be, let me show y'all. See, I knew these wouldn't be too big. You feel me? Like, stuff like this, when you're skinny, you know, it just fits like this, sadly. But yeah. These are pretty cute. I don't like joggers that come up to right here. I like it to be up here, but these are like low cut ones. Basically something I can basically lounge in, and it's cute. It's very comfortable. It's not too tight. But yeah, it's $5. What you can get for $5? What you can get for $5? $5. It says females of the future, and I thought it was so cute. It's a size small, of course. Just peel that off. And look, guys. $5. Yeah, I ain't believe me. Everything was $5. So what I'm gonna do with this shirt, I'm actually gonna DIY it, cut some holes in it, you know. Shirt came out. It is super cute. Basically, as I showed you guys, I basically just cut some holes in the shirt to just make the shirt more interesting, much more appealing. And you know, we gotta put it into a crop top to, you know, make it more flattering and, you know, just make it look more cute and sexy. You cannot tell me that Pretty Little Thing, Romley, Fashion Nova, whatever, wouldn't sell this shirt. This literally looked like something they would sell for $19. Well, you can literally make this for $5. Get the shirt $5. All you need is scissors, and that's it. And the sweatpants go so great with it. As I said, guys, I'm skinny mini. I'm skinny mini. I'm a skinny legend, and skinny legends cannot fit everything. But yeah, the sweatpants can be a better fit, but hey, what's respected. But it definitely goes with the top and looks super cute. So the last thing I got was this robe. I'm not sure if this is a robe. It can be like a robe, a sweater, a cardigan. It can be a lot of stuff, but it's super cute. I definitely need another robe because I have like three robes I got from Forever 21, and I literally can't find any of them. So I was like, you know what, girl, let me just stop spending $30, $20 on a robe at Forever 21 and give me something cheap and cute. So this was $5. I just threw on a crop top just so you guys can see how it will look better. And yeah, this is how she's looking. Like, oh, this could be a little nice summer thing also. Like, girl, tell me this ain't cute. This is so cute. This can be a robe. It can be a cover up for the beach. What else this can be? This can be like a sweater. Like, this can be so much stuff, guys. This is so versatile. And oh my god, I could make a cute DIY out of this. Like, it's just like, if I just put it like, let me show y'all. Put it like this and make a crop top. Oh, girl, y'all not ready. I can make this like a crop top kind of sweater. Oh my god, this is so versatile. I should have got like 3 of these. 3 of these. One to be a robe, one to be a cover up, and one to be a crop top, cardigan, whatever sweater. Like, this is really so cute. And like the material is pretty thin. It's nothing like really heavy whatsoever. So it can really be a robe, a cover. This feels like more like a cover up, to be honest. It feels like a cover up. Yeah, I love it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you guys want more videos of me trying out some budget-friendly clothing ideas, make sure you comment down below. I definitely want to do more of those type of videos. I just think it would be really fun to like find stores that you wouldn't normally think of going to get certain stuff, like Five Below. We don't go to Five Below for clothes, girl. Everything but the clothes. But yeah, I don't know, like what type of video should I do next? I have a video coming up. I'll be doing a challenge, a hair, makeup, and outfit challenge under $50. I'm talking about buying a wig, buying makeup, and buying an outfit under $50. $50. $50. $50. $50. $50. Can y'all believe that? That's gonna be a challenge. The video will be coming really soon, and I will be doing more videos of like me going out and shopping and doing more challenges, like going out of this room. Cannot wait to take these 25-pound lashes off and edit this video, girl. I'm tired. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed doing this. Like, y'all will see me on Instagram wearing some of this stuff. Comment down below, what was your favorite piece? My favorite piece, y'all know, has to be the white crop top. I just love how it came out. It was literally the cutest thing there. They also had this in light pink, but do Five Below? Yeah, Five Below you can probably order online, but I suggest go to your local Five Below store. I don't really think everybody has a Five Below, but mostly everybody have one. Go and check if you have one if you haven't heard of it already. But yeah, I'm loving this. This is so pretty, so full of life. Like, whew. Like, I'm definitely into doing DIYs also, guys. Like, if y'all didn't know, I'll be doing DIY, but I just don't be doing it on camera. But I will be doing more DIYs, like bougie on a budget. Girl, it's finna be lit. I'm coming to y'all guys with some new content, and if y'all want to purchase this wig, definitely let me know down below. This wig is from my last video, which I did the Janet collection wig lookbook. And yeah, honey, she's cute and all, but she needs to go because I don't got no room for her. Subscribe if you haven't, and like this video. We taking this on a whole nother level. So thank you, doll baby, so much for watching. I love you all, and slay till your edges fall off. Yo, that I didn't watch her last video. Did you hear me?